guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So as you can see right here, we are doing a birthday party for our 6-year-old, for our super Kason who just turned 6. So I'll just give you a quick overview of what we did. So first thing, I got this backdrop right here, this superhero backdrop. I got this from Amazon. We have balloons, we have this tall skein, the table decorations. I didn't actually finish them the way I wanted to. It ran out of time because the party is actually about to start. But what I did was I add all the PJ Masks colors because that is the theme. We have the blue, the red, the green tablecloths. And then I have my balloon stands. And then all I could get done was gecko. But that's okay because my son's favorite hero of the PJ Masks is gecko. So we have the balloons here. I tried to make it bright and colorful. And we have his super Kason banner hanging up here, and we have our bam, our kapow, smash, boom, wham, crunch signs. They were purchased from Amazon as well. And then I have these signs I just printed out on my computer for directional signs for superheroes, villains, and kryptonite. I did this balloon column for the very first time. I'll do a tutorial on how I did it. I think it came out pretty cute for my very first time doing it. And thanks to my husband for creating this beautiful stand. We have the PJ Masks backdrop. You can't have a PJ Masks party without the backdrop. That also came from Amazon. And then we also have the superhero capes in the matching mask, so they can all transform into PJ Masks superheroes. My backdrop here is just made out of tablecloths. So I just draped over a photo backdrop stand. What else? We have his card box where I took a diaper box and just covered in the PJ Masks colors of red, green, and blue. Cake stand where I'm going to put the cupcake toppers on. His beautiful cake we got, PJ Masks cake. And we actually got this from Walmart. So I'll let you guys know how it tastes. This will be the first time we actually had a Walmart cake. And last but not least, on this side, we have PJ Masks cutouts that I did. I have the balloon stands right here that I got from Amazon. I made these PJ Masks goodie bags. So we have Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. Just also added them to the silverware containers. There's my son because he actually was Gecko for this past Halloween. And then all the matching silverware and napkins and cups. So that's it, guys. I think I covered it all, and I'll be sure to do another tutorial so I can show you how to do the balloon stands. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.